Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video today I want to take you in and I want to show you how to block unknown callers, those annoying calls that you continue to get on a daily basis. I'm going to take you in, show you where to block them, and so it gives you a little bit of peace of mind. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, what you want to do is sign into your phone and go find the Mail app. It's the green icon with the white phone. Click on that. You see where the arrow is. And in here you'll see a bunch of numbers. The first one starting with +995 Georgia. Another one 705-367 from Moonbeam, Ontario. Another one from Russia. And another one from New York. So what you want to do is go to the top one if you have these coming in, and what you can do is you can click the eye to the far right of the counter, and in here you'll see the contacts, where it's from and the phone number, and if you scroll down to the bottom you'll see block this caller. So you want to click on block this caller. And now it says you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the block list. So we want to block them. So just click block. Now you can see that it changed from block this caller to unblock this caller. And so you can unblock them, but we're not going to want to do that because we don't know this person. It looks like it's overseas. So it's blocked. That's it for how you can come in here and block calls. Go back up to the top and click on recents where the arrow is, and you can see another one here on Friday, the second one down. I believe I blocked that one. Yes, it's blocked. So, and quite simple to unblock a caller. Just come in the same way you went to block the caller and click, and you'll see it change to block this caller. We block them again, and it says unblock this caller. In the future you want to unblock a call. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and share and comment. Thanks. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down below the red arrow on the right hand side, and make sure the lines are above the bell, and that will notify you of any new videos coming out and keep you up to date. And click above to watch the latest video. Thanks for watching.